So he will be sharing with us all the information and giving us an insight about our IPR and patenting. Sir has published just a small about thing about sir. Within a less amount of time, he's achieved a lot.
Thank
Sir
you,
has
Divya
published
madam.
several papers in international and national journals. Sir is having 8 patents. Sir has published 8 patents. He's having 5 books publication, and he has been delivered a lot of lectures in national and international level. He is one of the expert lecturer in IPR and patenting. So he will give an insight and I hope that everyone develops an interest towards this area. So I would like to invite Dr. Rajesh Kulkarni here, and then this will be handed over to Sir. Sir will join us. Sir has joined us, so let us welcome him, Sir.
Thank you, Divya madam. Nalavade sir, Dr. Nalavade, head IT, and Principal Pillai College. Uh, there is no need of introducing Pillai. It's a brand in itself. Uh, Give me a minute so that I will share my screen and we can start interacting. This session will be stretching up to 1.5 hours max. I don't know whether 10 minutes here and there, either I'll stop earlier or I'll stretch a bit more. This is in continuation of the webinar series I am conducting. In this Corona times, I have conducted not less than 9 days of sessions. So, and if people who have attended my previous sessions on IPR and patents, they may feel that I am repeating the contents. That's a rider for you. That's true that I am going to repeat the contents which I have conducted recently in the previous sessions. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. I'm sharing my screen. Just a minute. Give me a minute, please. Uh, Guys, thanks Team Pillai. I'll be starting my session. Today is 11th and my session will be on IPR and patenting. This is for Pillai College. For this session of today, a few requests from my side. First request is those who are attending second or third time my session, there is a rider. I'll be repeating the contents of before. It is not an extension of what you have learned previously. For that, wait another 10 days because I am designing all the contents further. A humble request to all, don't forget to mute your mics when you are listening and watching the slides. At the end of the session, maybe you can switch on your mics and you can ask questions, or you can ask questions on the chat also. You can you use the chat window for typing the questions so that Team Pillai can compile them. Most of the questions I'll try to answer in this session itself. If there is an issue, I can always mail you back, or there is some other mechanism to reach you out. Don't worry about the slides. You'll be getting all my slides on the SlideShare. Even today's session, I uploaded yesterday itself. You can see the address here, slideshare.net, RKPV 2002 IPR and patenting. Or you just search on SlideShare for IPR and patenting, mentioning my name or your college name. Also, most of the videos are available here. Even today's video, after Divya madam shares with me, I will be uploading that video too. So I repeat once again, if there is an issue like the slides are not moving further, the voice is not audible, the video has a problem, one or two representatives from Pillai College, I request them to unmute and talk and let us try to resolve that issue. Okay. So just any one representative from Pillai College can tell me, is it okay? Can I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir. Sure, sir. We are audible.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
What right have I got to share or discuss about IPR and patents and copyrights and trademarks and trade secrets? I have an interest. My learning curve is improving with this interest, and I am a distant associate for this startup company by name IPadventure.in. This is a recently started startup company. I am a distant associate. I'm a mentor, as well as I am part of the journey of this IPadventure.in. So most of the slide contents are designed by the team. So slides, as told, will be available on SlideShare, as well as slides will also be made available on this website IP Adventure, but not immediately. Maybe it will take another 10 days.
PPTs, you are going to upload it. It's not
Already,
visible.
I already uploaded the PPT on SlideShare.
It is not visible.
PPT is not visible to you?
No, no, no.
Okay, give me a minute. Okay, there was some problem. Now it is visible, madam?
No, sir. Hello?
Anybody is presenting from your side? You remove that presenting option from your side. Divya madam. Now is it visible? Divya madam, is it visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, good. Fantastic. Babita madam, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what I was saying. All the PPTs will be there on the SlideShare. All the videos will be there on my YouTube, as well as today's recording. I request Divya madam to share with me so that I'll put it on YouTube. As I was telling, I am a distant associate with the startup company by name IPadventure.in. That's why my learning curve in IPR related issues has increased, and I thought I should share this so that my learning also will improve. That is the agenda behind this. You are seeing a slide here where you can see at many places Rajesh Kulkarni name is mentioned, is it not? So you are seeing it 1, 2, 3, nearly 8 times. And as you see here, you see that Rajesh Kulkarni is claiming that these are the various patents he has published. Somewhere there is a title like image stitching system and method based on Retinex and features matching of low light image. There is a patent application number. There is a publication date. There is a patent office also, like Indian Patent Office, Mumbai, is it not? So application type also somewhere it is mentioned. So you see here, at least what is visible to you is all the patents which are published of some person are listed out here. So we'll just look at the patent application number, any one patent application number. Let us say I look at this patent application number 202011008739. Okay, so this patent application number I'll take and I'll go to a website or a portal by name www.ipindia.nic.in. Okay, the portal is www.ipindia.nic.in. So just to okay, I'll show it to you later. All the website and portals I'll show you later. This is a portal of Indian Patent Office, and where using this portal you can file your patents, you file your designs, you file your trademarks, and you file your geographical indicators. For copyrights, you have www.copyrights.gov.in, and for semiconductor chips also you have one more website I'll be showing you. So now what I was telling you is we just copied a patent application number, and we went to a portal by name www.ipindia.nic.in. So here in the search part, we put the application number. When we put the application number, you see at the bottom, you are seeing the application number, you are seeing the title, you are seeing the application date, and you are seeing some status published, is it not? So there is an application date also, and there is an application.
Sir, we are sharing any PPT because we are not able to see any PPT right now.
Okay, actually I'm showing it. What problem is
But
happening?
I'm not. We are just able to see you, but not the PPT.
Give me a minute. No,
Yeah.
there is a problem coming.
Hello, Babita
related
madam,
to-
please pin sir. Pin Rajesh sir. Rajesh
Huh.
Kulkarni sir, then you will be able to see him. Pin sir.
sir. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Okay, somebody confirm whether the PPT is visible or not.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible.
It is visible.
Okay. So I was telling about the patent application number like 202011008739. So this patent application number I took and I went to a portal by name www.ipindia.nic.in. So this is the portal for Indian Patent Office, and through this portal we can file our patents, we can file our designs, we can file our trademarks, we can file our geographical indicators, we can file our GIs. So what I did is I searched using the patent application number. When I did a search, I got this application number, title, and application date, status, which is published. So I'm just looking at the title here, image stitching system and method based on Retinex and features matching of low light images. I'll just count the number of words here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what I saw is some interesting aspect that the title of the patent is 15 words. So somewhere there may be a convention that your title of the patent should be crisp and should not be more than 15 words. As I explored further by clicking on the required tabs, I see here further search thing. The title of the document has come, the publication number, publication date, application number, application date, and this is the list of people who are the co-inventors for that patent, and you can also see that where we have gone to the next extension of that portal, ipindiaservices.gov.in. So as I explore further, I see that Rajesh Kulkarni and the co-inventors have submitted the following documents. I have submitted the following documents to the patent office. Okay, and what are the documents they have submitted? They wanted to file a patent, and for filing a patent, they used the Indian Patent Office portal, which I had shown you, and they've submitted different documents. So how they submitted the documents? There will be separate windows or there will be separate rooms in the portal, and each document, once it is submitted, it will be asking for some fees for that particular document form. So fees will be paid and the next form will be filled up. Like that, step by step, it will happen. I request everybody to mute your mics. There is some disturbance coming. Please. So mute your mics if you are not done so. Okay, let us look at what are the documents we have submitted. I'll go somewhere here at the last. Okay, there is form number 3. So we have submitted form number 3. What is that? That is a statement of undertaking. And let us go here. We have submitted form number 1. and we have also submitted form number 9. Then we have submitted form number 5. We have submitted form number 2 by name complete specification. We have submitted form number 13. Form number, this is the abstract, then power of attorney, correspondence. So these are few of the documents which we had submitted. These are few of the documents which we had submitted while filing for the patent, Okay, so that portal was related to Indian Patent Office. Suppose you want to file your patent in America, in USA. So you'll be using this portal by name uspto.gov, uspto.gov. So this is the portal for filing your patent in USA. And suppose you are an Indian and you want to file an American patent, or you want to file your patent in American office, you cannot do so directly. First, you have to take the permission of the Indian Patent Office. And for taking the permission of the Indian Patent Office, you have to fill a form by name form number 25. You have to fill a form by name form number 25. That is called as a PCT application. So after that only you will be able to file a patent outside India. I'll repeat once again. You want to file your patent outside India, you have to take permission of the Indian Patent Office and the authorities. And for that, you have to fill the form number 25. So this is USPTO. Similarly, suppose you want to file your patent in Europe. So you'll be using this espacenet.com. Likewise, you have UK and all the other countries' various portals for filing your patents. Now, we all are in such, we all in the sense the academicians, professors, PhDs, doctorates, we want to increase our profile strengthening. We want to improve our publication status. So most of us now either are in the phase of filing the patent or publishing the patent or patent getting granted, but we still lack, I think we are not that exposed to all the prosecution process, filing process, the nitty-gritties, or at least the basics of patent. But there is a need now for all of us to do that, because that leads to a lot of wealth creation, knowledge transfer, and many more benefits. So what is the first step of improving this curve is, the first step is to read a patent. You start reading patents, you start downloading few patents, and you start reading few patents. So let us try to read few patents also. You're seeing here, this is one of the patent for which I am the co-inventor. I'll read the title: Image Stitching System and Method based on Retinex and Features Matching of Low Light Images. Okay, there is one applicant, but there are other applicants also along with him. So this is form number 2. This is form number 2, and form number 2 gives the complete specification. Form number 2 gives the complete specification. What else you are saying? You are seeing here the title called as 1970 Patents Act, because the Patent Act came into existence for India from 1970. It was there in some different form, but quite visible, or the act was made concrete by using the Patent Acts 1970, and there are many sections, and this is section 39 of 1970 Patent Act. So this form number 2 will be consisting of the complete specification. Form number 2 will be consisting of the complete specification. So I have to move, but I am a bit worried. How do I move? Okay. Give me a minute. I am just opening a PDF. I am trying to open a PDF. Right. Okay, you can see here, the one slide which I had shown was the same, form number 2, and this was the title of our patent, and this is the applicant, and form number 2 consists of the complete specification. My humble request to all of you is, whatever keyword I mentioned, try to remember that keyword, because we are not going into detail of everything, but we are slowly trying to absorb few keywords from form number 2. What is form number 2? There are many forms which we have to submit while filing our patent to patent office. Usually what forms we submit? We had seen that we submit form number 1, form number 2, form number 3, form number 5, form number 9, form number 18, depends form number 25, depends form number 13, it varies again. So we are presently at form number 2. We are presently at form number 2. So first is the title, second is field of invention. Please remember that the field of invention is of 2 sentences. The field of invention is of 2 sentences. It gives a broader area of the technology and your invention related information. Second one is background of the invention. To immediately relate with the background of the invention word, we all academicians publish our patents in SCI or in Scopus or in Web of Science, and we pretty well know the meaning of literature survey. The meaning of, again a request, nobody should be selecting the option of presenting, because that will abstract me from presenting. To request, mute your mics. Second is, don't select the option of presenting from that screen. Okay, you're not presenting. Presently I am presenting, so later on Pillai team will present on those lines. Okay, sorry for distracting. We are at background of the invention, and what I said, you connect with background of the invention with literature survey of our research papers. Okay, so background of the invention has 2 parts. It has a prior art of patents. Prior art of patents indicates the literature survey of patents related to the patent which we are trying to file. Then there is a summary of invention. It gives a better detail than that. There is a brief description of the drawings. Okay, like I am mentioning here, which are the different figures, different diagrams in my application and what it does. Okay, figure 5 does this, figure 3 does this, on those lines. Then there is a detailed description of the drawings also, like figure 1, it is doing this, 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 this. Is it not? So this is the brief description. And now coming to the description of the invention, it gives the entire know-how of our invention. So the most important part of your patent application form is claims. Okay, so claims is, the literal meaning of claims is, I am claiming this is my property. Please remember our topic also. Our topic is IPR, intellectual property right. There are 2 words here, property and right. Suppose you have a plot, you have a house, you have a flat. So that is your property and you are claiming your right on that. So you will be claiming every inch of that, right? Ye yahan se itna mera hai. So you have a claim. Similarly, in your patent application document, claims are the most significant. These are the ones which you are claiming the royalty. This is your invention. This is your value addition. This is what will generate revenue. This will create multiple job opportunities. This is scalable. So the claims are the most important aspects of your patent document. So you are seeing here nearly 9 claims which are made. Okay. So how many claims can be made? You can have even 1 claim also. You can have even 1 claim also. But as you are a claimant, you try to claim as much as your invention does. Whatever prototype you have designed, whatever machine you have designed, whatever mechanism you have designed, whatever are its capabilities, mention them neatly, crisply in the claims document. Don't go overboard. Don't claim more or don't claim less also. The last part is the abstract part of this form number 2. Abstract part of this form number 2. So we tried to read the form number 2 by referring to the keywords of the form number 2. Let us look at a few forms like this form number 1. Okay. So this form number 1 is nothing but the application for grant of patent. What is there in this form number 1? It is showing the name of the applicant, his address, the rest of the inventors, all the inventors are here, and so on. Okay. So let us try to look at various options here. Okay. Now, one option is, what is the type of your application? So patent application types, you have to remember this. So by looking at the form itself, you will be knowing which are the patent application types. At least here, from here, you know that there is an ordinary patent application type, there is a convention patent application type, there is a PCT patent application type. What are these patent application types? We are referring in our next slides in another 15-20 minutes. Similarly, every application type has two divisions. One is divisionals and the other one is patent of addition. So what you should remember, we are referring form number 1, and form number 1, you have to tick which is your patent application type. You have to mention the applicant name. You have to mention all the list of the inventors. Okay, who is your patent agent? So all these details you have to fill it up. Okay, and then signatures, dates of all the inventors. Are you able to see here? And there is a declaration also, and declaration by all the applicants. Okay, and then we are saying that we are submitting form number 2. It is having 17 pages, and we are saying this is complete specification, fees is 1600 we are claiming. Okay, the number of claims are 9, the number of pages are 2, abstract, drawings, all the details are mentioned here. See here, the official fee again here is 4100. Okay, so here I see for complete specification form number 2 there is a fees called as 1600, and here I see 4100 for this form number 1. So we have seen form number 1, form number 2. Let us look at form number 3. So what is form number 3 here? Form number 3 is nothing but undertaking form. To simplify, what I should say, undertaking form. This is just an undertaking where we are saying that we have not made this application anywhere else, and these are the details of this. These are all downloadable. These are all downloadable. You have to go to the portal ipindia.nic.in, and you have to go to the tab forms and fees. You have to go to the top tab forms and fees. Now let us look at form number 5. So what is form number 5? Form number 5 says declaration as to inventorship. So this is the name of the applicant, and these are the name of all the inventors. Okay, then let us go for form number 9. Now this is something very interesting. If you're lost track, just come back and
Hello, sir. Can you listen to me? Sir has just lost the connection, I think. We'll just check. Sir has just lost the connection. So he'll be joining. Some technical issues are there. Kindly be with us. Sir has just lost the connection. Just be on the line. I'll just, sir has got some technical problem. He'll be joining shortly. He's lost his Wi-Fi connection. Kindly be on the line. Sir will be joining. Sir is just trying for his Wi-Fi connection. आता 5-10 मिनिटं झाली. Kindly cooperate. Sir will be on the line. Yes.
Extremely
Thank you
sorry.
for joining back. Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
Extremely sorry. There was a connection loss and I went on presenting. I don't know where I.
No issue, sir.
Okay.
Wi-Fi network problems are always there.
Okay. Do you remember, have I covered form number 9, 13, 18?
No, sir.
Okay. Form number 2 I completed?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this was form number 2. Now this is form number 3. Form number 3 is statement and undertaking form. Okay. Here you are making the undertaking. Then this is form number 5. Form number 5 is declaration as to the inventorship. Form number 5 is declaration as to the inventorship. Give me a minute to get the rhythm back because I went on presenting for 10 minutes. I don't know. So give me a minute. This is form number 9, and form number 9, listen very carefully. Form number 9 is request for publication. Form number 9 is request for publication. Please remember, when you file your patent, what will happen? The patent will be published after 18 months. The patent will be published after 18 months. But let us say you want early publication. Okay, then you will be filing this request for publication, which is form number 9, But nowhere it is written that early publication. It is just written request for publication. So sometimes there is a confusion. Now this is form number 13. Form number 13 is for making few amendments in the filed patent. For example, we made a mistake of some name correction was there. So we did the name correction using this form number 13. This kind of receipts you will be getting when you submit the forms. As I told, how you will be filing your patent? You will be filing your patent either going physically to the patent office or going online or going online on the portal, that is ipindia.nic.in. For example, if you fill this form, okay, so you will be getting this kind of fees. You fill the form called as form number 9 and you got this fee receipt, because in the portal you have separate windows or separate rooms for the various forms. Submit the form, pay the fee, come out. Submit the form, pay the fee, come out. Like that kind of scenario is there. For example, here we had submitted form number 1, okay, and form number 1 here fees is visible. So remember that what are the various forms we were submitting? Form number 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 13, 18 and so on. So for each form again there is a fee. For each form there is a fee. Let us look at this fees. This is the fees payable. You can download this from the portal ipindia.nic.in. Look at this column number 3. It indicates the form number. Form number 1. What is the fees for form number 1? 1600. Okay. Form number 2. What is the fees? There is no fees. But let us say the application size is more than 30 pages. The application size is more than 30 pages. Then for each page you will be paying 160 rupees. Let us say the claims are more than 10. If the claims are more than 10, for each claim you will be paying 320 rupees. Form number 3, there is no fee. Form number 5, there is no fee. Form number 9. What is form number 9? Request for publication. What is the meaning of request for publication? The meaning of request for publication is request for early publication, and for that there is a fees called as 2500. Form number 18. Okay. Form number 18 is request for examination. Form number 18 is request for examination. So that is 4000 rupees or 5600 or 8000 if you want expedited. Is it not? So here you have 18A for conversion from 4000 to 8000. So this is normal request. This is the expedited request. So let us look at any other form. Okay, you see form number 25 here. Okay, so form number 25 is for applying patent in some other country. Suppose you want to file your patent in UK, America or Europe, then you will be filing your form number 25. The fees is 1600 rupees. So these are the various fees. Okay. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'll be taking this, but I want to show a small video first. Okay. I request all of you to watch this video.
कर ले कोई जुगाड़, कर ले जुगाड़, कर ले कोई जुगाड़। अरे उम्मीदों पे नहीं टिकी है, नहीं टिकी है, नहीं टिकी है दुनिया, टिकी जुगाड़ पे, दुनिया टिकी जुगाड़ पे। ऊपर नीचे सभी जुगाड़ू, भारी जुगाड़ू, हैवी जुगाड़, तू भी झंडा गाड़ दे, तू भी झंडा गाड़ दे, झंडा गाड़ दे। हेडलाइन का डंडा प्यारे सबको बोल रहा है, नींद में भी हर बंदा किसी रेस में दौड़ रहा है। तो बचाना है तो फ्यूचर बनाना है तो, जहाँ वहाँ से जहाँ जहाँ से जो उखड़े कर ले जुगाड़, कर ले कोई जुगाड़, कर ले जुगाड़, कर ले कोई जुगाड़। अरे तुक्का मार कोई या कोई चीज मार, कर ले जुगाड़, कर ले कोई जुगाड़, कर ले जुगाड़, कर ले कोई जुगाड़, कर ले जुगाड़, कोई जुगाड़।
Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Now, a small 5 minutes interjection. You want to make a career in IPR, there are ample opportunities. So you can do LLB in IPR at IIT Kharagpur, your LLM in IPR at various universities abroad. In Nalsar, you have PG diplomas. IGNOU, you have PG diplomas. You have patent certificate courses like even FC Pune, they offer. This is one document I got downloaded from Ferguson College. They run a course, certificate course on IPR, but their condition is minimum 40 students should join. They have been running it successfully for 2 years. The coordinator name is Professor Nandini Kotharkar. Similarly, let us say you want to do LLB in IPR, you can do it IIT Kharagpur. Okay. If you click on this, you see a lot of vacancies available. You can be a patent agent, you can be a patent examiner, many aspects are there. So you have these courses like PG diploma, and this is run by the IP India, various training courses. Now for women folk, there is one very interesting aspect called as Kiran IPR training. So this Kiran IPR training will be giving you stipend also. This is especially for women, run by DST. So you'll be given, I think, somewhere around 20 to 30,000 per month fellowship. There are some constraints like you should be woman, you should be aged between this. This scheme, Women Scientist Scheme C, TFAC is for S&T background, but there are other options also available. You can be a patent agent also. You can be a patent agent also. Patent agent examination, for example, this year it is in June 26th. You will be having 3 papers, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. Paper 1 of 100 marks, paper 2 of 100 marks, paper 3 of 100 marks. Paper 1 contains multiple choice negative marking, 50 marks you should get. Paper 2 contains, you have few case studies, you have to write, that's a written form of paper. Again, you have to score 50 marks for that. And the third paper is Viva interview, and there also you have to score 50 marks. It's very exhaustive. They will ask anything under the sun related to IPR. Now, job opportunities like me, you can do freelance work. I do freelance work because I am connected with this IP Adventure startup. I do freelance work. People have jobs in government sector, private sectors also. Let us try to take this example. Mr. Deepak Singh, okay, he is an engineer. He is an engineer. After engineering, okay, there is some disturbance. Somebody, please mute all your mics. Please mute all your mics. Divya madam, Babita madam, am I audible?
Sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll proceed further. Let us take this example of Mr. Deepak Singh. He did his engineering. After doing his engineering, he did law. Then he cleared that patent agent examination. So this is his journey. He became a software engineer. Then he became a patent analyst. So slowly he now came to be a associate partner in some firm. This is his journey. If you look at his LinkedIn profile, he's a senior attorney. Then previously was associate partner. So like that, even if you're an engineer, you can have a good career opportunities. So if you want to study abroad, you can study in WIPO, Australian universities, UK universities, EU universities. Yeah, ample opportunities, good salaries for starting as well as for middle. Okay, growth is very easy. You will be working for firms, good branded firms, because okay. So hopefully you remember this document which I had taken the screenshot. This indicates which are the various forms which we had filled up and what were the fees for that. Form number 1, form number 2, form number 3, form number 9, and so on. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can always download the forms and fees and all the details from this portal link. Okay. How many forms are there? Let us look at various forms. You are seeing here form number 1, form number 2, form number 3, like that. So totally you are seeing form number 22 till form number 30. So there are 30 forms and there is something called as a praroop. And we had also seen the contents of form number 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 13, 18 and the fees. These are the various forms which we had seen. I'm trying to go directly to a content which I want to present. Okay. Hopefully this is visible to all of you. Types of patent applications. Okay. And where you had seen this, you had seen this in form number 1. You had seen ordinary application, then you had seen convention application, then national phase PCT application. You also have 2 tabs divided, patent of addition and divisional application. So if somebody asks you what are the various types of patent applications, these are the various types of patent applications. Ordinary applications, convention applications, national phase PCT, patent of addition, division. Plant patents. I'll skip this presently. Okay, I request all of you to just glance at all the bulleted points on this slide. Okay, hopefully you had a glance. What are these? These are the steps involved in patent prosecution. These are the steps involved in patent prosecution. I'll try to simplify it. You want to file a patent, okay? You'll be filing the patent application at the patent office. Where is the patent office? Patent office is at Mumbai. Patent office is at Delhi. Patent office is at Kolkata. Patent office is at Chennai. You have a patent training center also at Nagpur, okay? So I'll be filing this patent office, patent application going to the patent office physically, or I can file online. If I am filing online, I should have a digital signature. I should have a digital signature. And for digital signature, I have to make use of patent agent. It is just like for any legal document, you need some notarized stamps and so on. No? For that, there are specialists. Similarly, patent agents will be used. If you don't want them, then you can create your own digital signature also. So first you will be filing the patent. After filing the patent, publication of the application happens. When the application will be published, the application will be published after 18 months. If you want early publication, file that publication of application, early publication form, you have to file it. After that, there will be something called as pre-grant opposition. It is not a compulsory step, but if some NGO or some third party wants to oppose your patent, they can oppose your patent before granting. This is possible in India, not in other countries. In other countries, after granting of the patent, within 1 year, the opposition party has to oppose the patents. Now, after that, you will be filing a examination request. You will be filing an examination request. After filing the examination request, the patent examiners appointed by the patent office will examine your patent, and they'll be giving you something called as first examination report. They'll be giving you something called as first examination report. After getting the first examination report, you are given 6 months to reply. You are given 6 months to reply to the examination report. If they are satisfied, then your patent will be granted. If they are not satisfied, then there will be a hearing at the patent office. It is like a court environment. It is like a court environment. Hearing will be there at the patent office. Your patent agent and you can go, or only your patent agent or only you can go. And there will be the main officer of the patent office plus the patent examiner who has examined your patent. There will be a discussion. Please remember that patent office is not there to trouble you. For every filed patent, their wish is this file should be granted. But only thing is it should fall under all the aspects. It should take care of all the aspects. Again, just take a minute to go through all this. Who can file? Any individual can file, or any, if you assign somebody on your behalf, he can also file. Typically a patent agent. How the application is filed? Sorry, you have to go to the patent office physically, or you have to use online mechanism using the portal. How the payment is made? The payment is made online again. Okay, what is the importance of filing date? The importance of filing date is you will be getting priority. You will be getting priority. What are the details you have to provide to the Indian Patent Office? All those details, form numbers, fill the forms. Okay. Again, take a minute to go through this. Okay. When the publication of the application takes place, I am repeatedly saying this, after 18 months. Early publication you want within 45 days, file the early publication form. Okay. Early publication has its own importance. Like I want it to be known to my employers or some competitors, on those lines. Okay. What are the privileges once the applicant gets the application, once the application is published? Okay. Now it is, you can go further, like first examination and then response to the first examination granted. Again, take a minute. There is a word called as pre-grant opposition. This is not possible in other countries. This is not possible in other countries. It is possible in India. Pre-grant opposition means even before your patent is granted, third party can oppose that. Anybody, an NGO, a third party can oppose for that. Okay. What is the timeline? Even 1 day before your patent is granted, he can apply for that. He can apply for that. Okay. Okay, take a minute again for this.
Kulkarni sir, can you listen to me? I think sir has lost his connection back. Kindly be on the line. I'll just be back to him. Again disconnection. Sir will be joining. Sir is facing network issues, so he'll be joining.
So yes, today entire screen.
Yes, sir, we can listen.
Okay.
Yes.
So these are the followed. Just take a look. First, you can submit the provisional application if you are partially ready, and within 12 months, you can submit the complete specification. For provisional application, you require form number 1, 2, and POA, power of authority. After that, they will be you can file a request for publication. After that, you can file a request for examination within a 48 months. Okay. After that, FER will be raised, and after that, patent will be granted. After that, patent will be granted. But every year, the applicant should file a statement of working of the prototype he has designed. Please take a look at this. The types of patent applications in India: ordinary patent application, provisional patent application, divisional patent application, conventional patent application, PCT patent application, and patent of addition. These are the 6 types of patent applications in India. As I said, if you are partially ready and you want priority, then you go for provisional application. I'll give you one example. Let us say Divya madam and Babita madam are there, and Divya madam has filed a provisional application in Mumbai office on 1st of May, and Babita madam has filed a complete specification in Chennai office on 10th of May. Okay, who filed first? Divya madam filed first. What the application was? Provisional application. And who filed later? Babita madam. When? On 10th May. What application? Complete specification. What is the difference? Provisional application does not have any details of the patent, while complete specification have all the details of the invention. Okay. Let us say both of them have given filed for the same patent, for same idea, for same invention. Who will be given priority? Always Divya madam will be given priority. So that is the importance of provisional application. That is the importance of provisional application. The next type of application is ordinary application or the complete specification Complete specification, number 2 and which I had mentioned. Divisional application. What is the meaning of divisional application is, let us say an applicant claims more than one invention. Okay. So what the application can do is dividing this application and file 2 or more application as applicable for each of the inventions. There is a conventional application also. What is the meaning of conventional application? Conventional application is priority. Priority. There are nearly one countries. There are nearly countries or some countries where automatically you will be. They are called as the convention countries. You will be automatically getting priority in those countries also. There is one more type of application. If you want to file your USA, UK, like that, then you will be filing
Kindly join on the line. I'll just connect to sir because So I've informed sir. So sir is having Wi-Fi issue. So we'll just
Don't know. I don't know,
yes.
but connection is going on and off, on and off. Maybe I don't know. Let us. Divya madam, now it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, just take a look at this. These are the various kinds of IPR, intellectual property rights. Okay, I'll start with patents. You can file your patents. Trademarks, you can file your trademarks. Semiconductor chips, integrated circuit layouts, you can file your layouts. Geographical indications, you can file. Copyrights, you can file. Plant varieties, you can file. Industrial design, you can file. Okay, so this is the list of all the IPRs, intellectual property rights. Okay, intellectual properties. So you have industrial designs, patents, trademarks, trade secrets, geographical indications, layout designs of semiconductor ICs, plant varieties, and farmers' rights. Just skipping what I feel. Okay. India.nic.in. If you want to file your copyright, then you use this www.copyright.gov.in. If you want to file a then you use this authority called as www.plantauthority.gov.in. If you want to file your semiconductor chips layout, then go for this sicldr.gov.in, Semiconductor Integrated Circuits Layout Design Registry. Okay, I'm just looking what to skip and what to present. Give me a minute. Okay, there is a typical question in our mind whether my patent will be granted or not. Okay, so the answer to this is whether your patent has novelty, whether it has inventive step, whether it can be made into industrial application opportunities. It's a mix of all of that. Along with that, you have to ensure that your patent does not fall in this category of section 3 and section 4. So whatever exceptions are there in section 3 and section 4, if your patent falls under that, then you will not be awarded the patent. Then you will not be awarded in the patent. What is section 3 and section 4? You can refer section 3 and section 4 on the portal itself. But I have few screenshots. This is related to section 3. Okay. So
Just stay back, sir. Sir will be on the line. Yes. Kindly cooperate. I'm calling sir. Be on the line. Joining just now, sir. He is not coming to know because due to his network issue, it's getting disconnected. Yes, sir. Join back, sir. Are you there? Yes. Sir.
Divya madam, what we'll do is, Divya madam,
Yes, sir.
what we'll do is we'll open it for questions so that it will be easier for all of us because of this connection and disconnection.
Yes, sir.
Let whoever wants to ask questions, they can put in the chat window or they can ask the question. Okay.
Yes, yes.
In the chat window, if something is coming, I'm reading. If I have a written notes, can I do copyright for that? Can I do
Sir, you're back. Yes. Kulkarni, sir.
Divya madam, any other question?
Lost, so we could not hear the answer. Notes, someone wants to patent. Somebody's question was there.
How many inventors can be there? You can have 1 to n. You can have 1 to n, any number. Then Vanita Mane madam is asking, in India, it's very difficult to get the software patent. Is that true? If true, then why? Yes. As you look at section 3, in section 3, it has clearly mentioned that for algorithms, you cannot be allocated patents. What is suggested is nowadays, actually the software has disrupted the entire patent regime, patent sections and everything. What is suggested is put an architecture, proper architecture, and try to complement that with some hardware. Then it will be easier for you to put a box on that, then it will be easier for getting patents. Then there is one question, can we do copyright of architecture design? For design, you are a separate thing. Basically, you have a separate regime for that, for designs. Can we file patent using proposed system or do we need final product? Pratik Mhatreji asked that. The answer for this is, if such is the case, go for provisional filing. And after provisional filing, you got nearly 1 year to submit your complete specification. Dr. Shilpa Pankaj Kevate asked, can we get patent on mathematical formula? That's what it is. Section 3, you cannot. Section 3, you cannot. You can get a copyright. Okay, I don't think any other are there. Anybody wants to ask? I'm there. Do you need to give any affidavit? Yes, there are forms, no? Forms I had shown you. Just download all the forms. And in my PPT, I mentioned the form types also, the fees also. Any other? Copyright on handwritten notes. I said yes. If you send an SMS to your friend, if you send an email to your friend, that also can be copyrighted. But for copyright, there is no need of registration also. You can do register, but there is no need of that. You just have a C symbol and say, put a notice that this is copyrighted material. I have a copyright of my work. Can I apply patent for the same? No, copyright is for expression of ideas. Copyright is not for inventions. Copyright and patents are different. Okay. So copyright of work, it should not be. Copyright is only for if you write a movie story, if you write a drama story, if you write a book, if you write a song, for that copyright is there. PPT, yes, you can. Vishal Patil asks, can I do for my PPT also? Yes. Can we patent our presentations? Madhulika Sinha, no. I cannot do patent for my presentation. I can copyright my presentation. Mohabate Nitin Kumar, I did not understand this question, sir. Maybe there is a spelling mistake or I did not understand. Sudhir Rajaji asked me, can we patent on written research papers? No. Please ask questions if you have any. I think if there, okay. PCT and non-PCT for US patent apply international. Samdeep GV had asked me. I'll try to explain it. This is a treaty. PCT is a treaty. Now, if I am filing a patent in India as well as I want to file to other countries, then I can make use of PCT application. 150 countries, which includes US and UK also. You automatically get the patent protected in those countries. You automatically get your patent protected in those countries. Yeah, this was my first patent. Very true. And I abandoned it because of the cost involved and the objection raised. I did not have the energy to spend another 1 lakh rupees. But rest of the patents, my organization is supporting me. Any new research papers which are not published, I did not understand this. Do we have any funding agencies for filing patents? Scout for them, yes. There are for startups, there are a lot of support. Or you can go to your research cell in your college, in your organization. Patent, Swapnil Tambeji said, patents are for inventions only, I guess. Yes, novelty should be there, invention should be there. If any verification required by any expert before applying, yes, always. Have you filed? Yes, I filed a reply for, not for 2019, but I filed for my 2012 and there were issues I did not want to discuss. For prototype, can we file patent? Yes. How much was the cost so far? That depends. There is official fees and there are attorney fees, agent fees that they vary. Can we have patent on fundamental research like criteria of hydrodynamic of fluid flow in helical coils? Yes, but there should be an invention. No, not on research papers. Zareen Sheikh, madam, just put one, did not get it. How much should one budget for patents overall? You have to identify the need of filing the patent first. It is for commercial use. It does really have the strength of giving you revenue. then you can go for that. The cost will vary. The cost will vary. What do you suggest whether filing patent through? If you want to have the entire journey and if you find huge potential in your patent, go for an attorney and try a funding agency like your organization. For Android application, can we file patent? Yes, but as I said, the moment software word comes, you have to put a strong architecture. You have to take a help of some complement in the form of a hardware to be on safer side. Now, for software patent, can we combine our innovative process with existing hardware setups like Hadoop by making new change? Yes. What are the ways to commercialize the patent? There is a famous organization by name WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization. So they have a technology transfer department. Reach out to them. They will help you in commercializing your patent. As well as IIT Kharagpur also have a section called as FITT. They will also help in commercializing your patent. Dr. S.S. Pawarji asked, as I said, if it is invention, always yes. Yeah, you can have a, depends, Nitin Kumarji, either you can modify it by patent of addition or you can do new also, not an issue. It's your choice. Hello? Yeah, I'll call you back. I'm in a session, please. Okay, Divya madam, Babita madam, I think we are at the end of the session.
Thank you, sir, for giving us the insight and creating an interest in IPR and patenting, in which we were not aware. So I would like to thank you all the participants all over India, they are there. So
Okay.
they have spared the time and registered and be a part of us. And very, very thank you, Kulkarni sir, for accepting our invitation and be a part and clearing all our doubts. So it was a very nice session. I will request our HOD, Nalaude sir, to join us and give a vote of thanks. Nalaude sir.
Thank you,
Nalaude sir. So Nalaude sir, HOD IT will be joining with us.
Hello, Divya madam. Hello.
His voice is not clear.
Sir, can you
Nalaude
listen?
sir.
Yeah, Divya madam. Hello.
Your voice is not clear, sir.
I think you are not able to do.
Yeah, he's trying to come. Yeah.
Hello.
You're not.
Hello, am I audible?
He can chat in the
Otherwise,
chat window and you can read the message. Thank you, Nalaude sir. Let us be in touch. Thanks all the participants and extremely sorry for there were disconnections in between.
thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Because even due to connection problem, you have continued to join with us. Sir has 8 publications. patents filed, and 5 books are also there. So sir having in-depth knowledge of all the patents. So
Learning.
all the participants, I request to kindly give a feedback, and accordingly the e-certificates will be given. So the link will be operational now only. So we will be sharing the link in the WhatsApp group. So all are requested kindly give the feedback. I know connection is a problem, Wi-Fi is a problem. So because we cannot predict the network issues. So kindly give the feedback, and then the e-certificates will be immediately ready. Thank you all the participants being a part of us. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Nalawade sir. Thank you, Divya madam.
Thank you
Bye.
all. Thank you.
Bye.
Making us a great success. Thank you.